Hi, if you want to change keyboard's language on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you should go in your phone settings. And from here, you need to find General Management tab. And after that, go in Samsung keyboard settings. And now here, find languages and types. And here, tap Manage Input Languages. And choose language from the list you want to add to your keyboard. For example, let's add this Czech one. For that, I'm going to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue. Go back. And now it is added to the list. So let's trigger keyboard. And now to actually switch between languages, you need to tap this globe icon. And this is Czech language. Tap again, and this is English. Let's add one more. Go back and manage input languages and add Albanian, for example. And now let's test it. I'm gonna tap my globe icon and here it is. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.